these separated for a better result. Now, next step, guys, go ahead and get yourself an ice cream scoop, stick of butter, try and get a nice round ball. Place it right in the center. Now we're gonna come a little pepper, some salt, little chives, and we're gonna top it off with a beautiful garlic just right there. Grab yourself some olive oil, place it with the others, and we are off to the oven. All right, guys, we're gonna pop these in here at 350 degrees. We will be back to check on them. In the meantime, let's move on to our chicken. Okay, guys, we've got this delicious chicken that we marinated in olive oil and mustard. Now that it's ready and cooked, we're gonna go ahead and put some barbecue sauce inside. Do the same with all three. Just go ahead and open it up and pour it in there. Same thing with this one. Get yourself some bacon and stuff it in there. It's gonna be so good. Look at that. Grab some more. Be generous with the bacon, guys. We all love that. And if you don't, you can replace it with another item. You can do ham, you can do whatever you want. Stuff it in there. Beautiful. Now we take this, we're gonna bread them. We've got our flour here. Make sure it's nice and covered. Okay. From the flour, we move on to our eggs. And cover it. And as soon as it is nice and covered, give it a little flip to make sure that it stays on there. We move on to our panko. Grab this. Oh yeah. And now do the same thing. Once this is nice and breaded, grab it with some tongs and carefully put it in some hot oil. Let's take them out. Let that drip a little, and what we're gonna do to keep them hot in the meantime, bring them over here and just place them on this wire rack. The heat will keep them hot in the meantime. All right, guys, next step here, grab yourself a nice stick of butter, some bread that we cut. Beautiful, let that toast. And can't forget our cheddar. So we're gonna go ahead and flip it onto the cheese easily. With the help of a spatula, we're gonna unstick our cheese. Grab it, give this baby a nice flip. Look at that. Got some nice gooey cheese and some crispy cheese going on at the same time. That is what we're looking for. Now we're gonna come get some freshly cut avocado slices. Place them on there. Get yourself some little tomatoes. Grab ourselves this piece of chicken. Beautiful. Now we're gonna go ahead and move this whole thing over here like that. All right, now carefully, guys, we're gonna go ahead and fold this by rolling. It is a little hot, so just be careful. Wow, look at that cheese. All right, guys, we are about ready to dig into these babies. Look at these beautiful potatoes. Now it is a little hot, but I still want to go ahead and show you guys this. Wow, look at that. Delicious.